Let's create a manual table of contents in Microsoft Word 2019. I've already created an automatic table of contents video that you can see in the playlist if you'd rather go that direction. So we want to start out by going to the References tab at the top, as you see here, and going to the Table of Contents button, hitting the drop down, and choose Manual Table. And there it is. Now, keep in mind that it's going to put that table wherever your cursor is. So if your cursor is somewhere in the body, it's going to put it in that location. So you make sure that you have it at the top if that's where you want it. Now, we see a lot of information here. If we click inside the box, we can see a lot of different properties pop up. So if we click on the drop down where it says Table of Contents, we can choose to create an automatic table, a manual table, or remove the table altogether. And when we make a change, sometimes it doesn't show up right away unless you click the Update Table button, and then you click OK, and then whatever changes you made will show up. We also have this little box over here, and when we click on it, it selects everything. And what that stands for is the Content Controls. Now, in order to edit content controls, you can go to the Developer tab. Now, if you don't see the Developer tab, you'll need to add that in, which I'll show at the end of this video. And from here, anything that you have that has these three little dots can be changed using the Developer tab. So, for instance, we can restrict editing, we can go to Properties, and we can make changes, which will then edit our title that we see here. We can add in tags for accessibility and make changes to color and other options. Now, if you don't want to have one of these content controls, then you can simply highlight it and then just hit delete and it goes away. And we can just type in Chapter 1, for instance. And we can do a subchapter heading here if we'd like. And again, we can either use the content controls or not. So if we highlight it and just start typing, it will go away. Content controls are really only useful if you have a need for them. That shows up under the Developer tab. Now, if I go to the Home button, click on Home, we see these styles at the top here. And Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, those are the things that are important here. So I'm going to click on TCP/IP Security, and I'm going to choose that is going to be Heading 1. So you can see it gets larger, and the color changes. Now, if you're using an automatic table of contents, it will actually use any headings you have in the table of contents automatically. But we're using a manual one, so we've got to copy and paste. So I'm going to right-click and choose Copy. I'm going to click inside here, highlight, so it all shows up, and then we're going to choose Paste. And I pasted inside the content control, so it's still showing up. If I don't want to do that, I can just delete it and choose Paste, and now it just shows up as a regular heading. So let's give some reference to what it is that we're doing here. We see Table of Contents, and we'll put in for Network Security. So that's going to be the name of our paper. And we see Chapter 1, and we'll give this the title of Overview. There we go, and that's going to be on page 1. Then we've got our TCP/IP Security, so I'm going to go to Home. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller so it shows up more as a subheading. I'm also going to change the color to automatic. There we go. And it's going to start on page 2. So I need to take this, cut it, scroll down to page 2, and paste it in. Now we have a little bit of continuity when we see our table of contents. Now I've got my next chapter. I'm going to highlight that, type in Chapter 2, and we'll call this one TCP/IP Security. Highlight, delete, and now I'm going to paste it back in again. There we go. And it's not quite the same. I'm going to take the bold off and make it a little bit bigger, so that way it matches our TCP/IP Security. And I backspace it so that way it lines up. If I have a level 3, I can type it in here, or once again, I can just delete it. And now that's gone. So now I have Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, but it does not include a Chapter 3. So what do we do? Well, we can easily just copy our Chapter 2, go down to the next level, paste it in, and now we've got a Chapter 3. and we can call it whatever it is that we'd like for Chapter 3, update the page numbers, and then click the Update Table, and it will make sure that all your changes have been updated. If you're missing the Developer tab for the content controls, then you can go into File at the top, go to Options, and then we're going to go to where it says Customize Ribbon. Click on that, and then just make sure that the Developer button is selected, and then it'll show up at the top. So that's how we create a manual table of contents. You can change the font, the color, the position, the page numbers. You can leave in the content controls or take them out if you don't find any use for them. And we do that all in Microsoft Word 2019.